Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon in... Oh, good job. Did I do it right? Yes. All right. 2.3 divided by two-digit divider. Divisors, can you divide whole numbers by two-digit divisors?
Yes.
Yes. As you can see, this is where I was practicing my good afternoon in Spanish. All right. Quotient, answer to a division problem, yes?
Yes.
Okay, guys and girls. This is a division problem, 3 divided by 6, right?
Yes.
What of these two numbers, which one is the dividend?
3.
Which one is the dividend?
3.
3, because 3 divided by 6, the dividend goes on the inside. And what goes on the outside then? So divisors on the outside when you're making your division house, and dividend goes on the inside. Okay, we know the steps for division, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to push my calculator onto our screen, and we're going to talk about dividing with two-digit divisors. So obviously we have a two-digit divisor here, right? What do we do what do we call this when we actually write the problem again? Rewrite? Is everyone answering my question?
Yes.
Why are some of us on our iPads right now? So again, I ask, when we have a problem written horizontally, what do we have to do? Rewrite, okay? So I have it rewritten. I have my calculator. Does 21 go into 1?
No.
So what do I put above the 1?
0.
Does 21 go into 15?
No.
So do I have to put another 0?
Yes.
Does 21 go into 153?
Yes.
How do I know how many times? Wait, I could take my calculator and I could just guess, right? So I guessed 8. But is 168 too big? So I'm gonna go smaller. So I'm gonna say 21 times. Let's see if it goes in 6 times. Is 126, do you think, gonna be too small?
Yes.
126 is gonna be too small. If I did the math, I would get 27. Is 27 too big for 21? Yes. Okay, so what I have to do is I have to guess. And if I guess 7, 21, whoopsie, I gotta clear it. If I guess 7, 21 times 7 is 147. If I subtract, I end up getting 6, right?
Yes.
Is 6 smaller than my divisor of 21?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm good to go there. Then I bring down my 3, right?
Yes.
The other thing I could do is I could take 63 and divide it by 21. Couldn't I?
Yeah.
So could I say, instead of just guessing, could I say, well, what is 63 divided by 21 and what is it?
3.
It's exactly 3. And just to confirm, I would go 3 times 21. Here's my 63. I'm good to go, right?
Yes.
So you could guess and check to try to find your quotient, or part of your quotient, or you could do the division. 1,287 divided by 33. Stick with me here, okay? Does 33 go into 1?
No.
Does 33 go into 12?
No.
Does 33 go into 128?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 128. So I'm going to take my 128 and I'm going to divide it by 33. What's that give me? 3.87878. Like lots of numbers after the decimal, right?
Yes.
What do I care about? So I'm going to worry about the whole number of the 3, right? So what is 3 times 33 then? 99. And if I subtract, I get 29, and is 29 smaller than 33?
Yes.
I'm not going to finish this problem, but you guys see there's more than one way of doing these.
Yes.
We feeling okay with dividing with two-digit divisors?
Yes.